April 7th, 2026, a landmark day in technology. For years, AI has been our tool, helping us solve problems and create art. But today, AI has crossed a new threshold. It has built its own deep learning engine from scratch. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Imagine a car designing and building its own engine. That's what just happened in the world of AI. For the first time, an AI has constructed the very foundation upon which future AI will be built. This breakthrough challenges our ideas about who or what can be a creator. It means the development of complex software can now accelerate at a pace we've never seen. This isn't about machines replacing humans. It's about empowering us to focus on vision and ethics, while AI handles the heavy lifting. As we enter this new era, we must approach it with both excitement and responsibility. The ability for AI to build its own core technology signals a new era of co-creation. The pace of discovery is about to be transformed, and we're all part of this journey. To grasp this achievement, let's first understand deep learning frameworks. Think of them as the operating systems for AI, complex, powerful, and essential. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are built by teams of brilliant engineers and scientists, often over many years. They're intricate ecosystems, managing memory, scheduling operations, and enabling neural networks to learn. Every line of code must work in harmony. A single bug can bring the whole system down. Building these frameworks has always been a painstaking, human-driven process. The idea that AI could automate this was once a distant dream. Creating a new deep learning engine has always required immense human effort and expertise. But now, that's changing. The craft that defined AI's progress is about to be redefined. The future of building these engines is no longer just human. That distant dream is now reality. NVIDIA's research team has guided AI agents to build their own deep learning framework, VibeTensor. Unlike tweaking existing code, these agents started from scratch, writing, testing, and refining every component. Human researchers set the goals, but the AI did the heavy lifting, acting as a digital development team. Specialized agents wrote code, designed tests, and fixed bugs, working together at a speed no human team could match. VibeTensor proves AI can reason about complex systems and translate abstract requirements into working code. Imagine scientists describing a tool and AI building it in days, not years. VibeTensor is our first step into this future. VibeTensor wasn't built by one AI, but by a team of specialized agents. It started with a spec writer agent, translating human goals into technical blueprints. A coder agent then generated the Python code for each feature. An auditor agent reviewed the code for bugs and style issues. Next, a tester agent wrote unit tests to challenge the code's reliability. When tests failed, a debugger agent traced the errors and explained the bugs. This feedback loop, generate, test, debug, refine, repeated rapidly, hundreds of times if needed. The agents worked around the clock, improving the code until it was stable. This relentless automated cycle made VibeTensor possible. The process was faster and more thorough than any human team could achieve. This is the new symphony of AI-driven software creation. The AI agents didn't just write simple code. They tackled the hardest parts of deep learning engines. They built an autograd system, enabling neural networks to learn by calculating gradients automatically. They designed a dispatcher to route operations to the right hardware, like CPUs or GPUs, for maximum speed. The agents even managed GPU memory, optimizing usage and preventing errors. These are tasks that usually require teams of experts months to perfect. The AI agents reasoned through these challenges and delivered working solutions. This marks a new level of AI capability in complex software engineering. The big question: how does VibeTensor perform? In benchmarks, it wasn't as fast as mature frameworks like PyTorch, but it came surprisingly close, within 85 to 90% of their speed. That's remarkable for a version 1.0 system built by AI in weeks. Even more impressive, the AI agents kept optimizing, closing the performance gap in days. In some cases, VibeTensor even outperformed established frameworks, free from legacy constraints. This shows the power of AI-driven development, rapid, continuous improvement. What takes humans months, AI can do overnight. VibeTensor isn't ready to replace our current tools yet, but it's proven that AI can build competitive, high-performance software. The future of software creation is changing fast. AI-driven frameworks are now a reality. VibeTensor is more than a technical feat. It signals a new era for software and human engineers. Human developers won't become obsolete. Their roles will evolve. We'll focus on defining problems, guiding AI, and ensuring ethical standards. AI will handle the heavy coding, letting us innovate faster than ever. This shift democratizes technology, empowering experts in every field. But with this power comes responsibility. We must embed our values and oversight into these systems. The human-AI partnership is about amplifying our impact, not losing control. VibeTensor is just the beginning. Together, we can tackle bigger challenges and unlock new possibilities. The future is bright for co-creation between humans and AI.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.